Hi everyone, I'm super excited to share a bunch of resources with you, so I'm just going to get right started and dive right in. So my first being Google Drive. Now I taught fourth grade the last 2 school years, so this is an example of my previous school year. You can see all of the folders that we utilized as a team, and it was a great way for us to store materials for us to easily share to each other and easily find. I also utilized Google Docs my first year teaching fourth grade at this district. I will not recommend this. I didn't organize my materials very well, but I was getting used to a new grade level, so I really scripted everything, wrote everything down that I knew I wanted to teach in that day. But the good thing about this is I put in different resources that I was going to utilize, so it was easy to find, it was easy to print, copy. Same with websites, I was able to hyperlink them in so I could easily pull them up in the day. This was also a nice way for substitutes where they could just click on the links that I had for the day. Now, the other good thing about this is because it's a Google Doc, I was able to go back. Last year, I was able to go back to this and see what I did the previous year in November. Now, I have disregarded a lot of that and moved on to utilizing Google Slides instead. So this is last year's example in fourth grade, and I'm utilizing it again this year in second grade. It's just more visually appealing, still can put material on there, and it keeps the pace without overwhelming me and stressing me out. And I'm also able to add hyperlinks, especially another feature I loved was putting in timers, so I could put a clock right into the screen right here. You'll notice it right here, and it automatically, almost my face, it automatically counts down. So it's perfect. As soon as I clicked on the link, we were ready to go. Just going to pause that so it doesn't ring while I present. Okay, so this is my Lifeline. My curriculum director for my school created this specifically for me in mind because I am new to this grade level this year. But this is my Lifeline, and my grade chair even went in and specifically put the standards, put exactly where I need to find this information because I'm really adapting. I'm utilizing resources I've never used before. So this has been amazing to have. One of those resources is Listening and Learning through Engage New York. So I have absolutely been loving this resource. We just finished our fairy tale unit, but the great thing about this is it scripts it out for me. So I literally just read this right off. It builds in the comprehension questions and everything. And then it tells me when to display a picture. So the students will only see the pictures on the board, but they will listen to what I am saying. And it's just been really exciting, really fun, brand new. So I'm kind of in that enamored stage where everything's exciting again because I'm in a new grade level. Now, another resource my district utilizes is Clever. If you've ever heard of it before, it's kind of this home base where my district links all of the sites that they have purchased. So the great thing about this for me is I can easily click on one of these. I'm not going to now because you'll see all my student rosters, but when I click on it, it auto signs in, so I don't even have to worry. It's quick, easy access, and just so many great resources here for me. And the other great thing is some of these are brand new to me. My district just added Freckle and Tang Math. I've never utilized those before, so it's a great way from our district to kind of update you as we go, and then you can try out these different links. And because it's through my district, my class rosters sync directly in, like my school district takes care of it for me, so I don't have to sit there and add every single name. It's beautiful. And I can also create my own page where I haven't really played around with this yet, but I can link different websites that I want my students to use in there. I also am a tried and true user of TPT. TPT is a lifeline, especially when you're new to grade levels. So I've utilized this a lot, especially math. I'm kind of trying to figure out. I'm used to teaching higher concepts and now I'm trying to figure out how to teach the basics. I also utilize Pinterest as well as YouTube. I have to say I'm a teacher, so I like to learn from others. So Pocketful of Primary is definitely one that I utilized when I was in 4th grade, and she was great at teaching different virtual teaching techniques and learning about Nearpod and learning about all these different resources. Same with Elementary and the Mitten. It's just a great way. You know, there's a teacher community out there in YouTube. It's a great way to get ideas and really reinvent the year so every year feels brand new and fresh and exciting. So I hope you learned a little bit today. Thanks.